Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification. The Border Security Agency has hired your software services firm. They want you to build an application to collect information about visas stamped on passports. You are given stamped images and need to extract the country that issued the visa and its validity period. Finally, you have to store this data in a database. Which service would be suitable for this task? A. TensorFlow. B. AutoML. C. Cloud Vision API. D. Data Labeling Service. Correct answer, C. Cloud Vision API. Explanation. The Google Cloud Vision API is designed to allow developers to understand the content of an image by using powerful machine learning models through an easy-to-use REST API. It can classify images into thousands of categories, detect objects and faces within images, and read printed words contained in images. Additionally, the Google Vision Packager supports metadata analysis on images, offering a variety of use cases across different industries and applications. AutoML Vision can help you identify specific labels, but it requires more custom work to extract different text. TensorFlow is also a possibility, but it requires more time for coding, validating, and testing. It is not necessary to choose TensorFlow when there is an easier option available. The data labeling service is offline and works with larger volumes of data, but it cannot be integrated into a continuous data pipeline. Keywords. Collect information about visas stamped on passports. Describes the primary requirement and type of data. Stamped images. Emphasizes the nature of the data source, which is in the form of images. Extract the country that issued the visa and its validity period. Details the specific data extraction requirements. Subscribe and follow us.